Good morning, 6th grade. It's Mrs. Panico. I wanted to create a quick video to show you how to get started with Scratch. I see that some of you are still having difficulty creating an account and sharing your project. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have an account with Scratch. So if you did not already join, please click Join Scratch, create a unique username. It could be some variation of your name, a nickname, or something that you would like to create. So I'm going to go with my initials, J, M, and then I'm going to do Pan. And then notice it says write it down so that you remember. So I'm going to write down my username on a piece of paper so that I don't forget. And now I'm going to create a unique password. Let's see. Type the password in again. And remember, you always want to write it down so that way you don't forget. You're going to go through these questions. I live in the United States. I was born in June, a very, very, very long time ago. Not that long ago. There we are. And a couple more questions and we're going to be ready to go. Here's the next piece, your email. Make sure that the email you use is an email account you can access, meaning you need to be able to check this email to confirm your account. So jpanico@schools.nyc.gov, and I create my account. I'm going to write down the email address I used because that's important in case I need help with Scratch. They're going to ask me for that account. So I need to know which account I used. All right, get started. So now I have an account, I'm creating my project, I'm ready to share, and I'm seeing that many of you are coming up to this URL and you're copying and you're going to a document and you're pasting it into the document, or some of you are going to see project page and you're copying the URL from up here and you're going to that document and you're pasting it. And then I tell you in a comment that the URL or the link you sent doesn't work. And that's because you have not yet shared your project. So when I go to click on the link, I get a, well, see, I'm logged in, so it's going to take me to my page, but I would get a an error page because I have not shared my project. If you don't see the blue shared on the top of your screen, then the link you're sending won't work. What you need to do is you need to go to your email and check it and look for the email from Scratch and click the link within the email. So let's go to my email now so that I could show you how to do that. Okay, so now here we are in my email. Here is the no reply Scratch. If I didn't see the email right away, I might search Scratch to find it. So it says confirm your Scratch account. You just signed up for a new Scratch account with JM Pan. To finish creating your account, click the link below. So here, confirm my account. I see that my arrow turned to a hand, which means it's a link. When I click the link, it says welcome to Scratch. Scratch is a community of all ages from all over the world. Make sure your projects and comments are respectful and friendly. And now when I go to create, I'm going to see that orange share button.
Miss Magenda.
I'm going to see that orange share button. I'm going to click it. And now I can share and copy the link with anybody. All right, I hope that helps. Please reach out to me at jpanico@schools.nyc.gov if you need any help setting up your account or sharing your project.